Okay, we're going to talk about doing a numbered list and also thinking about a drop cap. So, for example, let's say we're doing each of ours is it's a numbered list, 1 to 10, or is a top 10 list. I'm going to first off, let me get there's my character. I'm like, where's my character? I'm going to go ahead and choose my typeface. I'm going to use Gotham, and then I'm going to I don't want it to be bold. I'm going to have it be why is it there it is, Gotham book. Oh, I didn't have it selected. If I don't have it selected, it's not going to do anything. Gotham book. Okay. So here's let's say this is going to be my size, but I want to have a character. So what I'm going to do is I want my numbers to really stand out. So I'm going to make a character style. So here is, I'm going to pull this out so you can see it. So we have a character, window, which tells us basically the typeface, the weight, the size, and the leading, of course. And then we can also do kerning and tracking. But then we have a character style. So let's say within this style, I want to have a something change. So I'm going to have what I'm going to do is create a character style, which is going to change and be different than the rest. So I'm going to create a new character style. I'm going to call this drop cap. And I'm going to make it Gotham Ultra. And I'm going to make it a different color. I'm going to make it pink. And I'm going to say, okay. And so when I click on this drop cap, it immediately becomes what I just told it to do. If I say none, it goes back to just being whatever. So I'm going to go back to this, and I'm going to make what we call a paragraph style. And I'm going to call this a new paragraph style. I'm going to call it body copy with drop cap. Okay. And then I'm going to select this first character. I'm going to go into here. Oh, I'm going to go in like this. And I'm going to go down to drop caps and nested styles, which is on this left panel. And I'm going to have my drop cap go 2 lines. And I'm going to have it go 2 characters because I'm going to have it be 1 and the dot. I want it to be the dot as well. And the character style is going to be drop cap, the one I made. Align to the left edge, and I'm going to say, okay. So now I've just created a drop cap character style and paragraph style that is allowing me to give my first number, because I'm doing a numbered list, be a little bit more dramatic than the rest of the type. So that's one example of a way you can explore that. Now, if I'm thinking, that might be bigger than I want or bolder than I want, I can always go back over here to the drop cap. Oops. And I can say, I can go over here to drop cap and I can add another version. Oops, I can click and pull that there. And I can go drop cap 2, and I can try, instead of ultra, maybe I want it to be medium italic, and then maybe I want the character color to be yellow, and or whatever. You know what I mean? I can do it another way. And so then I can do another drop cap style. And in this drop cap, I'm going to call it drop cap 2. And then the only difference is I go back down here to drop caps, and I make it drop cap 2. Say okay. And then you're like, oh my God, they both changed just because I had them both. So this one's going to be the first one, and then this one's going to be the second one. So now I've created 2 different, we'll call this one 2. So you can get a C. Okay, so that is a kind of fun ways. You can also do that with the first letter. So let's say I decide to do another one and I want to do a drop cap that is really not a number, but actually the first letter. The thing is with drop caps, you don't want to have more than one on a page if it's a first letter. So let's say over here, I decide for this design, I'm going to do another paragraph style, and I'm going to call it, it's going to have a drop cap. I'm going to have it be 3 lines, 1 character, and the character style is going to be do drop cap. And so this one is, that's how that would look like if it's just, and you can see, so here's something I want you to be aware of. So like, because these are all connected, what you don't want to do is have, you can see everyone is the same one. So you don't want to have paragraph after paragraph with a drop cap. It just becomes too much of a good thing. So when you do a drop cap, you want to have it be the only drop cap on the page. Unless it's numbered list, then it's okay to kind of get away with more than one. But it'll get too much of a good thing if you do too many on one. So this one, I'm going to do, and get the idea. All right. So that's some paragraph styles you can use in character styles to add to your overall design repertoire.